Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with Bitcoin at number 1, followed by Ethereum, BNB, Solana, XRP, Dogecoin, and then we'll end it with Toncoin at number 10. Let's get straight into it. Bitcoin against USD. So here we are for Bitcoin. What's happening with Bitcoin? Bitcoin has touched the skinny pink line, but at the same time, we are expecting the possibility of an inverse head and shoulders. Right, we've been expecting inverse head and shoulders since 2024 May. Right, inverse head and shoulders fell over. Okay, maybe here we get a right shoulder. No, we fell even lower. So it's like, are we going to get a right shoulder eventually? We could still be falling lower. So as it stands, we're still not entirely sure. We are hopeful that eventually we will clear all of these highs. Right, but at the same time, we've also touched the skinny pink line. So there is a possibility that Bitcoin could be going on a full-on bear season. So as it stands, yeah, we're still not entirely sure, right? If BTC returns back to the skinny pink line for the second time, then yes, potentially we could be heading much lower. Right, we could be heading towards the noisy area over here. 43,000? Cold world, right? 43,000 is a possibility, right? So we'll see how it goes. It's scary. If we do drop here, then that's it. That's it. We cross the skinny pink line and that's it. Cold world! Next will be Ethereum, ETH against BTC. Here we are for ETH. ETH is still dropping lower, still under the skinny pink line, still in a bearish trend. Yeah, again, noisy area over here. We are already at this area, at the tippy top of the area. Could we drop a bit lower? Maybe we clear the lows over here first before reversal. Maybe we clear all of these clusters of cells. Again, doesn't look good to me. Not at this point of time. Against USD, Ethereum is also in a full-blown bear, to be honest. We're already clearly under the skinny pink line. Yes, sure. If we were to blast back up all the way, then yeah, sure. We will shift our bias to bullish. But we're under the skinny pink line. So if anything, I think we're in the midst of a get-out rally. So yeah, potentially we could be hitting a little bit lower to the noisy area over here. If I had to guess, we will probably find support at around 1,007. And if it doesn't hold, then we're probably going to clear these lows to 1,003 maybe. Yeah, but it doesn't look good to me at this point of time. Ethereum is weak. It's super weak. BNB, okay, this is the only coin in my opinion that has potential, right? CZ is about to get released in September, if I'm not mistaken. And September is only 5 days away. So, and BNB is just hovering above the skinny pink line. We have not come back since breaking it over here way back in March. We've just been going sideways. So in my opinion, I think this is a consolidation. So potentially there could be a breakout towards the upside and out of the consolidation over here against USD. Okay, so if you look at BNB against USD, we have also touched the skinny pink line. But at the same time, BNB's inverse head and shoulders is almost done. So you can say that BNB is one step ahead of BTC. If you look very closely, right, this whole thing is an inverse head and shoulders, right? From a bullish perspective, left shoulder, head. Right, we have a target over here that we've acquired way back since the 25th of March 2024. And yeah, if we complete the right shoulder, we just hover around here and just do the bam! We could be heading towards 1,002. But from a bearish perspective as well, we've touched the skinny pink line. So there is also that possibility that BNB hits lower. Next noisy area is over here. We'll probably clear the clusters of cells over here. So depending on the situation, right? If I were to be a betting man, I will be betting towards the upside for BNB because the BTC pair is still in a bullish trend, and the USD pair is almost completing the right shoulder. We're in the midst of completing a right shoulder. So I think it is timed nicely towards CZ's release. So yeah, I think BNB looks like it could be heading towards its the target that we had over here, 1,002. And after that, potentially 1,005. So BNB looks good to me. Looks really good. One of the very few coins. Solana. Sol against BTC. Okay, Sol against BTC is also above the skinny pink line. We're also in some sort of a consolidation, but we're very close to the skinny pink line. So the moment we cross it, then that's it. If we hit higher, there's one challenge over here. Again, there's a noisy area. Sure, we're at the bottom section, but this is the bulk of the noise. So Are we gonna find a new all-time high? Yes, no? Not too sure. If we get a new all-time high, we'll have to wait for a retrace first before continuing long if there's more upside. But at the same time, if we cross the skinny pink line, then that's it, full on bear. As it stands, still looking good against the BTC pair. Sol against USD, we've touched the skinny pink line, so that's the danger. Most of the coins have touched the skinny pink line. Yeah, and again, you can see this from two perspectives: a bearish perspective or a bullish perspective, in the sense that if you cut across the wick over here, this whole thing is a squeeze as we break higher potentially, right? But yeah, I'm not too sure if we're gonna break the all-time high. So if let's say I were to go long, right, I will wait for the break of the all-time high first, consolidate, form a bullish chart pattern, and then sure, I'll take another step towards the upside. But as it stands, we've touched the skinny pink line. We have not taken out the tops yet, so the danger still exists that Solana could be heading back under the skinny pink line. Full on bear as we head towards the noisy area over here. Sub $30. So you want to be very careful about rushing down, about going long, right? Even when this happens, all the meme coins in Solana is gonna experience insane drops. 80%, 90%, some even 99%. So this would be this is what I would consider as a very juicy move that could be happening sooner rather than later. So yeah, again, we're not too sure though how much higher it's gonna go. So yeah, stay safe. I would say stay safe. XRP, okay, one of the very few coins, in my opinion, that could be heading much higher. Against BTC, yeah, XRP is in some sort of a rally. We're hoping that we don't take out the support over here. The moment we cross and take out all of these cells and here and here and here, XRP could be heading towards the lows over here. Just a gentle reminder, right? This is a very big head and shoulders. Left shoulder, head, very big right shoulder. XRP could be in deep trouble against BTC. But against USD, you see the opposite thing. Against USD, you see that, hey, XRP could be competing in A, B, C, D, E. Breakout! 160. This is target number 1. Target number 2 is $6.10. So as it stands, the target still remains. And we're still anticipating the breakout to come. Right, we'll probably go beyond $1.60. Not too sure about the new all-time high though. Right, we'll probably find some resistance around this area. Right, maybe around 250. Around 250. Right, and after that, maybe we come back down, retest the support, reconsolidate, and then 2027, 2028 rolls around, bam! We continue higher towards 610. And then we reconsolidate again, bam! We hit towards $10. But as it stands, yeah, we're still not too sure how much longer we're going to be in this consolidation phase, the falling channel, right? We're still within the boundaries of the support and resistance, right? There's still that possibility we could head lower. We could even take out these lows and these lows before we break the resistance for good. So as it stands, yeah, we're still not entirely sure, right? If we get something like this, right? Very nice squeeze over here. Lower highs, higher lows, and we'll take a stab at it towards the upside. Dogecoin against BTC. Here we are for Dogecoin, and doesn't look good. Again, head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, bam, we're down. More downside, yeah, very likely. Noisy area over here, so a little bit more downside for Doge against BTC. Against USD, Dogecoin is under the skinny pink line. From a bullish perspective, this is something like a falling channel. Falling channels usually break higher. You see that? But at the same time, it is also looks like a descending triangle, right? Dogecoin could be heading lower. So I don't know. Elon might have something up his sleeve. This whole thing might just start a break towards the upside. But as it stands, yeah, we're still not entirely sure. So no rushing for Dogecoin. Just not that clear. Pavel just got arrested by the authorities, right? And we are going close to the skinny pink line. Scary stuff, right? Look at this. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Oh my god, feels like a continuation is coming on for Ton BTC, right? The run towards the upside may already be over for Toncoin. If you look at Toncoin, we have a target over here, $13.50, right? And we were anticipating this consolidation to break higher. But as it stands, we're dropping. This is a high volume drop, very high volume drop. Is there a possibility that we still head higher? Of course, we're still above the skinny pink line. So the trend is still bullish, right? From a technical perspective, although we see a head and shoulders, I will still preach caution. If we still get mountains over here, mini mountains, then we could be heading under the skinny pink line, right? If we head back all the way up here, consolidate, yeah, 1350, here we come. But as it stands, be very careful. And if we were to drop lower, we'll probably head towards the noisy area over here. So stay safe. Alright, boys and girls, I guess that's it for today's top 10. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-da!